What's the name?
Afternoon. My name's Julia.
And ma'am, what's the name?
Adele.
So where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
And ma'am, you?
France.
Ma'am, you are from France and you are from France and you are from Germany. How much you have stayed in India? I mean to say that when you are from when you are here and when you are going back to your country.
We arrived on the 1st of May and
1st
we're
of May.
staying to the
On Labor
13th.
Day. On Labor Day.
Yeah.
We're staying 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We're staying 2 weeks in
You
India.
are staying here for 2 weeks.
Yes.
So do you like India?
A lot. It's so nice. The people are nice. The monuments are nice.
What do you know about this Red Fort and these sort of historical places in Delhi, in India?
We know the Red Fort has been constructed when they wanted to shift the capital from Agra to New Delhi.
That's really great. That's really great.
Mhm.
Okay.
And Julia,
We literally just read up on it. The Mughals, I think, built it.
Yes, of course. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan.
Okay.
So, ma'am, what do you know about India and what do you know more about India?
We know it was a British colony. It gained independence in the 1940s.
Yes, of course.
We know a bit about the food, about dal. We know.
yeah, I think we know that India is very diverse according to which place you go within India. There's a lot to do. We mainly went to Rajasthan, and now we're spending a little time in New Delhi.
Of course. And you can see that I'm from Jain community and he's a Muslim. So this is one of the best example of the diversity in India. So, ma'am, what do you want to explore in India now, as you are in India?
We want to explore all the monuments, I think.
In
all
Delhi
the
or
palaces.
all over India?
Here, I mean, we just saw already Rajasthan, so that's what we wanted to see. And I think now, in our last 2 final days, we just want to explore New Delhi, get to know the city
It's
a
really
bit,
great.
yeah, the culture here.
Ma'am, we all know that our viewers are, they really like to see you on our channel. This is a very small scale of the channel. So, what do you want to say to our viewers if we want that? Please just say a single line for our
No.
Indian viewers. For our Indian.
Okay. No, I think we really loved India. We were glad to discover the country, and we really want to come back to discover the rest of it, mostly the south now. And yeah, we had a great trip. Really loved it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.